Hiya, this is Jason from Jason's Jungle, and I'm going to be doing something silly with parsnips. We all know that parsnips need to have really fresh seeds to be able to grow, because that's what we know from our own experience, and that's what we're told. We also know that you need to sow them when the soil's warmed up, so April, May, get the soil warmed up because they need the warmth to germinate, and they're soil germinators. So I'm going to be doing something, or two things, that's silly to do with parsnips. First of all, I'm going to be using older seed. In fact, I'm going to use 3 inches of seed. And secondly, I'm going to be planting them in August. So I've got 3 packs of seed. I've got my Parsnips Doogie Bijali. This is from Franchi Seeds. Get loads of seeds in there, packets. I think it's worthwhile, but sometimes you get a lot more than you need. So I'm going to sow these bits out of the envelope. These were packed in year ending 2016-2017 and sold by December 2019. So they're a little bit old, they've been around for 3 years already. The second lot of seed that I'm going to be sowing is white gem. Now this is sown by June 2021, so it's a bit fresher. That should take, hopefully. Now both of these you do them April to May. And the next one I've got is I bought a packet of squash seeds from DT Brown. They sent us some F1 Sable seeds. So these are fresh this year, and it's sold by December 2024. So this is the fresh seeds that I've got that came in the post just the other day. So these are the 3 that I'm going to be sowing. I'll sow them probably in November, just to see if anything comes up by spring, or because parsnips are a member of the carrot family. A lot of the carrot families, such as Sweet Cicely, need the cole stratification. So I'm wondering if sowing them in autumn, leave them over winter, would improve the germination rates of older seed. There might be a mechanism in the seed that once it goes dormant, it needs a cold period to germinate. So I'll do that and I'll see what happens and keep you informed next year. If you found this useful, interesting or puzzling, click on like, share it, click on subscribe, and I hope to see you on more videos.